Guess what? Another blast from the past. This one is a Takisawa TC1 CNC lathe. But what I also wanted to mention was, let's just open this up, they're actually machining on here this material. Now, I had to mention it because it's unusual, Superanhyster 50, if I can say that correctly. So there you go, they're just checking they can machine it all right, and it does machine like normal steel, so nice and easy, well, relatively straightforward, but as you can see, FANUC OT controls up here, cracking old machine. Then inside you've got 12 station turret. Now they've got their own little contraption here to hold this small 6mm bar, but this will hold billets up to 8 inches in diameter. So this little blast from past, and Roger said from LMS Precision, you need one of these in every machine shop. All right, it's not working all day every day, but it's doing a job, it's holding its tolerances, and it is paid for. And when was it manufactured? 1985. Great little blast from the past.